Hi and welcome to the TilersTools video channel. Today I'd like to show you an accessory that we have for the BM180 bench. So lots of these benches, and I think this is a great accessory that you can add onto it to make life safer and simpler when you're actually working on tiles. So it's an end stop and a side stop with adjustable clamps. They can be moved up and down the bench, and it makes the tile nice and safe for when you're working on it. If you want to drill holes or do some cuts on the end, you can just adjust, bring the tile to the end of the table, adjust the clamp along, and then do your grind or your check out with the tile safely clamped. So that's the accessory kit. If you like what you see and want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.